Welcome back to Crypto Front. This is the front lines where we are fighting for financial freedom, and we are doing quite a good job here on the JASMY price today, especially because we are up something like 7%, and we really have got encouraging signs as to what we have really been looking for here on the JASMY price. So yes, these are good days on the front lines, but really the main focus has been the shorter time frame here. So let's quickly jump to the 1 hourly time frame, because this is really where we have like all the interesting setups right there. So if you remember the last couple of days, what we are looking for here is this structure where you have a rally, you have a crash, you have a retrace, you have a reaccumulation here, and then eventually the price breaks out right here. The first time I told you about this structure, I was saying that JASMY is threatening to go all the way up to something like 4.2 cents, and really the good news is that we are on track for that 4.2 cents. So that is fantastic here. On top of that, we even had a nice structure that we already know, that we are familiar with, and there's nothing that is as better as trading with a familiar pattern that you have seen time and again in the market. So we will talk about those things in today's video, and then at the end of the video I'll also show you like longer term price targets that I have for the JASMY price set here. But before we do that, I want to kindly ask you to help me spread the video by delicately tapping the like button. It just helps the YouTube algorithm. People looking for JASMY updates will now be able to find this video much more easily. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel just yet, I really would encourage you to do that, really, because we have been riding JASMY ever since like the very bottom. It's been 2 years since I was talking about JASMY, and I think really we have done a fantastic job. Everything that is happening here was actually much more of a dream up until 2 months only, when it actually started to become reality, right? So let's quickly jump into the price set here, and let's start here with this rally crash retrace reaccumulation structure that we have here. As I was saying already, this is a very common structure here that we see time and again in markets. Take a look at this first example that I was showing you. This is NEO back then in 2017. You have that rally, you have got the crash, you have got the retrace, you have the reaccumulation, and then off you go like to a certain price target right there using Fibonacci retracement tools from the very top of the structure. There, let me catch that nice and easy, and then to the very bottom you can see you are extending all the way to the 4.236 Fibonacci extension level right there. That is the same structure that we are seeing also on Binance token back then in something like 2017 as well. You see the rally, you see the crash, the retrace, the reaccumulation, and then this one even exceeded the 4.236 Fibonacci retracement level. But the standard that we want to take a look at is that full extension level right there after a structure like this one there, right? We also have got the king of altcoins, basically Ethereum, where you can see this rally here, this crash, the retrace, and then the reaccumulation here as you go even to hit that price target here relative to those Fibonacci retracement levels. So that is fantastic. You see exactly the 4.236 extension level right there. Coming back to JASMY, let's quickly just apply the same concept here from the very top of the structure right there to the very bottom of the structure. This is where we are seeing around 4.2 cents, right? And then the next question obviously is, now whatever is happening right here, is this actually very normal? So yes, you can see that we have got like horizontal support here at around something like 2 cents. This is where I was showing you yesterday, saying that this is a level to pay attention to. If we happen to break below that level, that could actually indicate that we are still continuing further down here on JASMY. Fortunately, we really didn't get that, and we are of course involved in a trade here with JASMY. I was posting here in our premium group saying that this is a very strong Wyckoff accumulation pattern that we are seeing at the very bottom, and I'm obviously going to show you examples and show you how these things usually work. So you can see here on a 1 hourly time frame we have like an extreme, we retrace, obviously we just start bouncing around that level, but this is kind of a Wyckoff accumulation pattern right here. We are looking to break the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level that is actually sitting at something like 2.5 cents by there. So maybe the ideal thing was to wait for something like 2.5 cents to be broken above, but since we had like a support level at the very bottom here, we had a clear indication or a clear indicator where we could be wrong, right? So there was no need to wait for something like 2.5 cents as the confirmation right there. But let me quickly show you just around the market the same structure that we are seeing right there. That is actually something that is not new, it's really prevalent in the market. So this is a Bitcoin right there, but you can see that the bottom of the 2015 bull market was just the same thing that is being exhibited by JASMY right now. So that is fantastic. And I think we had another example here too, where you can see this crashing structure, right? You kind of have like an extreme, and then you start retracing, you Wyckoff accumulate a little bit like this here until you break all those Fibonacci retracement levels, and then really it's off to the races. So we have a good case study here. I think we also had the same thing with the a Binance token, or maybe it was even Ethereum itself. So yeah, it was Ethereum actually. And let me go ahead and clear this so that you see that yes, we have got this extreme crash right there. The retrace was followed by some kind of a work of accumulation pattern here. Go ahead and put this one on a smaller time from here, maybe a 4-hourly. You can actually see exactly what I'm talking about. Once you break above that 786 Fibonacci retracement level, you are clear to go. But in this situation, we are of course not waiting for that, because we already have a lower extreme here around 2 cents. This is our support level, so buying that is something that is going to be fantastic in any case, right? So yes, JASMY is set for something like 4.2 cents in the immediate short term right there. So I think the picture on JASMY is really clear now. Obviously, none of what I say is financial advice, and you shouldn't buy or sell anything because of anything I say, alright? But if you like the content, don't forget to delicately tap the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and then we'll have to see each other on the very next one. Take really good care of yourselves. Bye.